guys, so you have all those AntMiners and they're making too much noise. The purpose of this video is to show you how you can reduce the noise by more than 30%, and we're gonna demonstrate it to you. So as you see our setup, we have two AntMiners and both are now concealed in this cooler box, and this is how we are reducing the noise and still maintain nice airflow to keep them cool. So let's take a look at the details. So here's the setup. These are the power supplies. They go on top. This is our AntMiner. Two L3 plus miners set up in here. And let's demonstrate. The noise level is around 110. As you see, we reduced the noise from 110 to 70, even lower, which is excellent. Once again. The intensity goes up and down, so the noise will go up and down as well. So if we wait a little, we'll see the number of decibels going up. But on average, you will reduce at least 25–30% of the noise. So as a base, we took this cooler that you can buy at Target or Home Depot. It's a 48 quart cooler. This cooler fits two ASICs without issues. This is what you will need to get, and we will list the details in the information of the video. You need a 1¼ inch hole saw and a 4 1/4 or 1/8, I'm sorry, 4-inch 1/8 hole saw for the big holes. And that's it. It takes about 15 minutes to make this setup. Most important is to mark your holes, make sure they are 1 inch from, let me show you, make sure it's about half to 1 inch off the bottom of the cooler. So make sure you mark it correctly, so these will line up properly and help you achieve the most efficient airflow from here all the way through here. This what will keep your miners very cool. And let me demonstrate what we have. Two miners, as you see, intake, exhaust, and we use that 1¼ inch hole saw to pass all the wiring through, along with Ethernet cables. And the setup is beautiful. There you go. I'm gonna start with small holes for the wires and the Ethernet cable. So we're gonna drill 1¼ inch hole right here and on the other side. That's easy, so we'll do the easy first. And the other side, somewhere here. Excellent. As you see, nice 2 holes. will mention it several times, make sure you vacuum all of this so your miners don't suck in all the dust. So here's how we're gonna mark the big holes on the sides of the box. We're gonna place them close to each other like this. Make sure you have good 2 inches here from the bottom. And we're gonna mark these big circles first. Note they're close together because miners inside will be close together, so we're gonna do it this way. Let's mark it. Okay, excellent. So the hole saw will go right into the inner circle. You see we have good probably 2.5–3 inches from the bottom, so we're good to go. This is perfect. This is about 1 inch from the floor inside. Very nice. Once again, make sure when you finish, you will vacuum all the dust off from inside and outside actually. Well, don't forget to clean your mess as well. Alright, so when you're doing these big holes, make sure you start slow and don't try to push it, just have patience. Sometimes it takes a while, so let's try another one. Nice. Okay, this is definitely better than the first attempt. Beautiful. Hello. Okay, very nice. Now it's time to clean up. Okay, now vacuum. Do a good job so your wife doesn't kill you. As you see, it fits perfectly, like literally to the millimeter, obviously by accident. And number 2. Okay, so here we have slightly different setup. It's S9 and L3, so Litecoin, Bitcoin going in side by side. Beautiful. Okay, so now they are fully operational. Let me show again. I'm gonna try to do it this way. So that's a second one. Anyway, it's working nice. Airflow is perfect. I think job is well done, and we actually have another surprise for you. Once you are done mining, you sell your miners. These coolers fit perfectly into your Lambo. I swear.